Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. White color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC 1 to 3 and 2D shapes. Kids first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color, red color, the alphabets of A. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B. Kids now C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, the alphabets of E, and use black color, black color. The alphabets of E. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use blue color, blue color, O N E 1. 2, the numbers of 2, and again use blue color, blue color. Kids now the 3, the numbers of 3, and use green color, green color, the numbers of 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use green color, green color, F O U R, 4, the numbers of 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. And here is white color. White color. The numbers are 5. Kids night shapes. And first is draw triangle. The shape of triangle. And here is red color. Red color. The shape of triangle. Kids night heart. The shape of kids night circle. The shape of circle. And here is yellow color. Yellow color. Kids night heart. The shape of heart. And here is black color. Black color. Kids night Easter. The shape of Easter. And here is blue color. Blue color. Kids night pentagon. The shape of pentagon. And here is green color. Green color. Kids night circle. The shape of circle. And here is white color. White color. Sorry kids, mistake. The shape of square. Square. The shape of square. And here is white color. White color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.